Dreaming of a future in entrepreneurship? Your journey begins at PSE. Let's get you started with our simple application process. Step 1. The online application. Visit our website and click on Apply Now. Fill in your details and ensure that you've got all the necessary documents. It's your first step to a world of opportunities. Step 2. The pre-admission. Gather your transcripts, recommendation letters, and resume. Submit them online and take the next step towards your aspirations. Step 3. Academic evaluation and decision. Our team meticulously reviews your academic performance. Your past grades, activities, and entrepreneurial spirit will help us see the potential you bring to our community. Step 4. Acceptance and enrollment. If you meet our criteria, watch your inbox for an acceptance email. Then, confirm your spot and get ready to launch your academic and entrepreneurial adventure with us. Follow these steps and prepare for the journey of a lifetime. We can't wait to welcome you to the family of future leaders. Apply today and turn your dreams into plans.